everyone, it's Jeb Hamwerger from GoldStockTrades.com, and wanted to give you a quick update on the precious metals markets and the junior mining explorers that we follow. It's been the second half of April is usually a slow period for junior mining investors. You have the taxes deadline. You also have the Easter and Passover holidays, and then you have the month end. So we expect, and as we see today, beginning of May, we're seeing a lot of breakouts in some of the juniors that we follow. We're going to mention some of them today that have had significant strategic investments and that are going to be extremely active in drilling high-grade gold discoveries. So number one, we noticed this week a breakout in Gold Source Mines. There was some press that Eric Sprott, after the financing, that they closed over $7 million financing led by Eric Sprott. There was some good press over the weekend that has caused, when some investors have returned, to press the buy button on Gold Source, which is broken out today above 21 cents. They've had extremely high grade discovery in Guyana, where we know that Barrick is interested in investing, and they're run by a great management team, most notably Yanis Chitos, and who has worked as an executive at BHP Billiton, and Eric Fear, who has helped build Silvercrest Mines and has a great track record as a geologist and engineer in advancing these projects. And the recent investment by Eric Sprott, who has a lot of followers behind him, has been changing the dynamic, which we've been talking about this entire year. Gold Source Mines, GXS on the venture. Take a look at the chart. Very impressive breakout. Could be a major discovery, especially if they can connect the two zones and show some sort of mineralization that connects these two major mineralizations, the Eagle Mountain resource and the new Salbora discovery. In addition to Gold Source, we've been highlighting for over almost a year now Sun Metals and the discovery up in BC, the Stardust property, where they've gotten a major investment from Teck Cominco. They are going to start drilling soon, and I suggest you take a look at their website, take a look at the drill intersections from drill hole 421 that they drilled last year, and they are going to be putting in directional drilling right into what they found last year. I think there's some really good odds of success this year, and the next drill results could be a game changer for Sun Metals, which is run by some people that we've known and that we followed in this industry for probably over 15 years now. The Oxygen Capital Group, led by Mark O'Day and Donald McInnes, and the CEO Steve Robertson from Sun Metals, was very important in the success in BC of the Red Chris mine for Imperial Metals. So great team. Drilling is starting in a couple of weeks, and I suggest you speak to management before the drilling commences and learn why this drill hole 421 is so exciting in Canada and why this could be one of the most exciting exploration programs in Canada this year. Finally, one of our shareholdings, Radius Explorations, run by Simon Ridgway, who has helped build Fortuna Silver, a major silver producer on the New York Stock Exchange. He also runs a little company called Radius, which can be traded as RDU. They hit an extremely high-grade gold intersection, I think 44 meters of 12 grams gold. Let me get that number, 44 meters grading 12.38 grams per ton gold, 309 grams per ton silver. In Mexico, very strong group, major discovery, just becoming recognized today by the market. So gold market still under pressure with the Federal Reserve not lowering interest rates yet. So gold is still under pressure. U.S. dollar is still very strong. So, stay tuned. But we're seeing, these breakouts in high grade explorers, even though the gold market is still continuing to be under pressure since the BMO conference before PDAC in mid-February, when we heard all those consolidation news with Newmont and Goldcorp and Barrick. That was actually a signal that the market heated up a little bit, and we are going now into the sell in May, where people tend to go away for the summer doldrums. Now, that's not a time to go away from gold stocks, because usually in the summer months we get a bottom, like we saw last August, and we know in the summer months that's when a lot of North American explorers get extremely active, like Sun Metals. So, and the Golden Triangle could be starting to heat up. So, stay tuned to goldstocktrades.com. Gold's still under pressure, 50-day continuing to decline, lower lows since mid-February. But the juniors are beginning to show some really strong signs, led by Gold Source, Sun Metals, and Radius, GXS, SUNM, and RDU. So stay tuned to Gold Stock Trades. Make sure to sign up for my free newsletter if you're seeing the video and you're not signed up for the free newsletter. And check out my website, Gold Stock Trades, where you can see some of these articles on Gold Source and Sun Metals from many months ago, before they became the favorites of the junior mining market. All the best.